You look like a stranger here. Do you know much about our city of Tapuri?
No, I don't know about your city.
Well, for a start, the stolen amulet of Takaroa is the cause of all our problems. The sea levels have risen, and never-ending storms are ravaging the city. The flooding, Takaroa's wrath, has hurt almost all of us. How has it hurt you?
It hasn't really hurt me, to be honest, because this is the first time I'm in this city.
I guess we all suffer in different ways. But I say that angering the sea god is bad for everybody. Even the bastard who stole Takaroa's amulet from his temple. Say, could you lend me enough money to get my family to Palataisi?
Of course I can.
That's very generous. Maybe I won't have to die here in Tapuri. Meet me here tomorrow, eh? Thank you. Thank you. May the gods bless you and your family.
Thank you.
Everyone with wealth or connections has fled to Pauri as quickly as they could.
Hey, if I had the money, I would have moved to Palataisi.
Don't I know it? Palataisi has Tani's protection.
Yes, the god of land is a benevolent god. Watch where you're going. What were you thinking?
Sorry, I didn't mean to bother you. It's just that I'm new here.
Well, you can't crowd people like that. If I were part of the Losi Triad, you'd be dead. Go on, keep walking.
Well, that was rude.
No, he tried that. Now he's missing, and everyone thinks the Tyamalens killed him.
Tapuri is indeed a dangerous place. If you're not killed by the Losi Triad, you're just as likely to have your throat cut by the Sons of Tane.
That's because the amulet connected us all to Takaroa, and Takaroa's anger lets the gangs run wild.
I thought the council had hired Taima to find and return the amulet.
Yes, but she, even as ruthless as she is, hasn't come through. I don't remember you here in Tapuri. Where are you from, stranger?
Oh, I'm not from here. I'm from El Paso, Texas.
I'd say we need help from outside. You should go talk to the council. Will you do that for us?
Yeah, I'm willing to help.
Good. I'll take you there now.